Hey guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Once again, I'm talking about the refinance coin. What's going on in the reef? What's the price changes over in the reef? In this video, I will share the latest update of the refinance. But before starting this video, please, my friends, I request all of you to please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Now, my friends, you can see if we talk about the last 1 week changes occur in the refinance negative 2.78%. Negative 2.78% the price changes occur is in refinance. So absolutely, you know what, it's from the price change it's clear that in the last 1 week the refinance is falls down. But the reality is that now after 20 July the refinance started jumping. But you know what, why the changes is still negative? Because in the previous time, you can see in the previous time the refinance price is fast down. That's why, and still the price of refinance is negative, my friends. But I hope with the passage of time everything will be okay. Just hold it. Now the refinance is in the jumping mood and they also start a jump. That's why this time don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell. Holding is the only way to save yourself from loss and make profit with the refinance. My friends, now the purpose of making this video is that as I told you in my many videos that please hold refinance to the last of this month, and now it is the last of this month, so please hold it. And you can see in the beginning of the last of this month the refinance started jumping, and I hope that they continue to jump for the next 1 week. So hold it and don't decide to sell. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates and news videos.